All right, what's up, y'all? Oh, my bad. I don't even know how you can't see the back, but this will probably be a short because it's real quick. But so okay, so if you guys don't have any like, because I'm feeling like somebody may have like some type of emergency usage for maybe a cleaning agent, a spiritual cleaning agent, right? Now you would have to have this in your refrigerator, right, or in your house. Which most people usually do. I mean, a lot of people do, but it's just depending on what you keep in your house. Okay, spiritual protection, right? Okay, and come to find out, people use this same thing I'm about to mention to do love spells against other people, right? To do love spells against you. Um, it's coriander, right? Coriander. Okay, confirmation. Code name cilantro. Okay, so you can use cilantro. You can burn it. All right, to cleanse your space, right? Cleanse your energy field. Um, there's all types of different cleaning it. I mean, just look at picture if we had none of this artificial medicine, right? Where will we look in nature, right? Okay, everything in nature has some sort of property to it, right? And it's for something. You know what I'm saying? It's for something. There is nothing that is in nature that is not used for something, right? Okay, whether it's an ailment or uh, uh, injury, pain, toothache. Okay, I think you use cloves. Cloves for like toothaches. Cloves, Cloves. Confirmation. Thank you, Spirit. Yeah, like Spirit may want you guys to start looking at more natural ways of kind of like replacing. And I ain't saying if you are if you have medical condition, anything like that. I'm not saying nothing like that. Okay, so don't misinterpret what I'm saying. Okay, but it's like weaning off of more of what's artificial and going into what is natural, right? Okay, it's a slow and steady pace, but don't just stop your regimens or nothing like your medications or anything. I'm not saying that. Okay, always consult with your doctor for that's not what this is. Okay, I'm just giving you other references to spiritual cleaning agents. That's it. Okay, that's it. uh but yeah, that's it. Coriander. Okay, code name cilantro. All right. And it tastes damn good too. All right, especially on tacos. Little lime, green sauce. Oh yeah. All right. I'll holler at y'all later, beloved. Love y'all. All right, I'm about to get on my Xbox and be lazy for a little bit. I'll be up there in a minute to give y'all a read. All right, later, peace.